Way to go, Gus! Okay.
So then after we eat,
Yeah, we eat and then we'll peel off. Yeah, it's probably better off to do it that way.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Come on, Gus, just play catch with Chen. As long as it ends at that plate.
Now there's a box they have to hit with on. So there's a little box that it's got to come through.
I know, but if it's high, but it still comes to that perfect point.
As long as it comes into that box where he can hit it with the bat. If it's high and drops from here, it's not in there yet. As long as when it goes over the plate, it's in that box, it's good.
Yeah!
Nice job, Gus! Good job, Gus!
Guys, here's your